Here are the general steps to make popcorn at home. Ingredients: a quarter cup of popcorn kernels, 2 tablespoons of oil, canola or vegetable oil, salt to taste. Instructions: heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot with a lid over medium-high heat. Add 3 to 4 kernels to the pot and cover with the lid. Once the kernels pop, add the remaining a quarter cup of kernels to the pot and cover with the lid. Remove the pot from the heat and let it sit for 30 seconds. Place the pot back on the heat and shake it occasionally until the popping sound slows down. Turn off the heat when there are about 2 to 3 seconds between pops. Remove the lid and transfer the popcorn to a large bowl. Sprinkle with salt to taste and toss to coat evenly. Serve immediately or store in an airtight container for later. Note: you can also add other seasonings, such as butter, cheese, or herbs, to the popcorn if desired.